Good day, sir. Today I will represent Charles Darwin and his impact to society. But before I start, I will introduce myself. My name is Kenzeus W. Sol from BSIT 102B Traffic. So, who is Charles Darwin? Charles Darwin is born in England on February 12, 1809, and he died April 19, 1882. He was an English naturalist, geologist, and biologist. He presented his theory of evolution by natural selection. According to Charles Darwin's theory of evolution, all living organisms are related and have descended from a common ancestor. Ibig daw pong sabihin, lahat daw po ng living organism like animal, plants, and tayong mga tao, may kanya-kanya daw po tayong ancestor kung saan related daw po tayo doon. Natural selection in action. Natural selection process that results in the adaptation of an organism to its environment by means of selectively reproducing changes in genetic constitution. Lahat daw po ng organism is nakakapag-adapt daw po sa environment. Halimbawa na lang daw po dyan is yung giraffe. Dati raw po yung giraffe is maliliit lang daw po yung kanilang leg nila. And para daw po makapag-adapt sila sa environment, kailangan nilang itaas or taasan yung ulo nila para maabot daw po yung puno or yung halaman. Kasi raw po yung mga puno raw po dati is matataas, kaya kailangan daw po nilang mag-adjust. Kaya habang tumatagal po yung leg po nila is lumalaki po ng lumalaki. His contribution to science, technology, and society. Sa science po, yung ideas ni Charles Darwin, nagkaroon po ng bagong pag-aaral patungkol po sa mga living organisms and kung paano po sila nagbago over the past few years, and nalaman din po natin kung ano yung pinagkaiba ng ibang animals and plants and kung paano rin sila naging connected and kung paano rin po sila naging ganun yung itsura nila and kung paano rin po sila kumilos. Sa technology naman po, nalaman natin kung ano po yung makakabuti at makakatulong sa atin. Halimbawa na lang po yung kung paano natin malalaman yung mga poisonous na makakasakit sa atin. Society, it made people care more about nature and protecting animals and plants. Nalaman po ng mga tao kung paano papahalagaan yung animals, nature, and plants. Kasi pag napabayaan po yun, maaari po itong makapagdulot ng masama sa atin na makakapaekto ng hindi maganda. Charles Darwin ideas that relevance today. Understanding new species. When we find new plants or animals, we use Darwin's theory to see how they related to others and how they adapt to their home. Pag po may natutuklasan po tayong mga new species, we use Darwin ideas to see if they are related and how they are adapt to the environment. Sa education naman, kids learn about evolution to understand the world around them and how life works. Sa pamamagitan po ng pag-aaral, mas naiintindihan po natin kung paano po mas nag-evolve yung mga species and organism.